stinky dog. I was going to say, look, we just had lunch, but I tell you what, if it was smell-o-vision, you'd know we just had lunch. Oh, you are wrong, Bob. Really are wrong. Oh, okay. Here we go. Hey, does he look enthusiastic? No, he doesn't. I'm not going to tell him, but I'll tell you what, after having that pizza, all I could do was sleep. But we've got work to do, haven't we, Bob? Hey, you don't kid. No, there's no pizza left. It's all gone. In fact, to use a phrase that you like, you're awesome.
Yeah, I'm awesome.
All right, let's go. There you go. All right.
Do you see something wrong?
What?
Do you see something wrong with this?
No, what's wrong?
That one is...
That one is short.
Oh.
Oh, we're going to put a sloping bit in to go with the pitch of the roof. But, good of you to notice. Good of you to notice. All right, now.
I'll be down this side.
I'll hold this bit here and see if we can get this one in. Square. Can you hang down? Yeah, push on that corner, that's it. Rough and Ready Construction Company, that's us. So now, all things being equal, this should line up with that. Should.
Yes.
All right. The noggin's in. One reason I like nails over brass. Pull out. Especially if you got a bow in the studs like I've got there. The nail will hold it in. Whenever you're doing your noggins, measure your base plate or your floor plate, 51, and measure your top plate. They should be pretty close. 51. Actually, that's 50 and a half, that's 51, so it really doesn't matter. But if I measure between the studs, that's 50. So obviously the timber's bowed but you want these studs to be as straight as possible. So that's 51. That's 50 and a half. I'll go at 51. Sounds good. What size is that, mate?
Let's check.
Hmm?
Let's check.
Let's check. And I'm actually having these up at 1100. I don't think you're meant to exceed 1200. As I said, don't know, I'm not a builder. But that's just what I was led to believe. Come on, muscles. What we're going to do is pick it up, put it up against it.
Okay.
Yeah, pick up that side. Pick it up, big lift. Keep going, keep going. Get underneath it. Put it on your toe. That's it. Good boy. Keep going. That's it. Walk forward, walk forward. Walk forward and move your hands down further as you walk forward. That's it. Keep going. Oh, beautiful. Okay, get this end. Take it up that way. That's it. You're doing good. Let's see how close we got the bend square. Well, I'm not really going to lose my sleep over that. I reckon that's pretty darn good. We'll pick this up and we're going to take it over to the edge here, over there. Alright? You might hang on under the. That's it. Alright. Yeah. That's good. You got it? You get comfortable. I'll hang on to it until you get comfortable.
Okay.
And you hold it here. What we've got to do is get it right on its edge. Like that. Now, if we've done this right, this will fit in there. Look at that! Ladies and germs, check it out! It fits!
Yay!
I'm impressicated. I know you didn't want to do it, but you're proud of what you're doing. That's good.
Yeah.
Right, might fix that. Okay, mate, you can go and have a rest now, thank you.
I'm going around again.
I might come and get you in a bit. But we've got 3 walls up, which is what we wanted.
Yeah.
I've just thought of something, so I've got to check with the plumber before I actually go about finishing it all off. But there you go. Then I've got the front wall to put in, and I'll have a door up on this corner. That'll sweep inwards. The door will be here. It'll be a 720, and I think I'll have it opening that way so the toilet will sit about there, and then be a little vanity sink over on that side. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow when we go on with stage 3. My grandson's left. He's worked too hard. He's playing Xbox now. I think I got some bloopers out of that one too. Whoa, did I ever. See you tomorrow.